Hello, welcome at MG booth. First, let me introduce you the Cyberster, if you want.
Yeah.
Sure. So the Cyberster is the all-new EV roadster from MG that will be launched at the end of the year. Let's have a look inside if you want. I'll give you a look.
So what's the idea of the name, Cyberster?
Inside. So this is all new roadster from MG. You can see the scissor doors. That's all really, really amazing. What you can see inside is all the screens. So for the driver and to manage all the AC. And here you have all the commands for the transmission and to open the doors over there. And you have the button to close or unclose the roof. I'm not sure we can do it. Yeah, we can do it.
Oh, wow. Looks nice. How do you close the door?
Over there.
Oh, there it is. Nice. There's just a button as electronic to open and close the doors?
Yeah, absolutely. And
nice.
You can do it here as well.
So is it going to be more affordable than a Lamborghini?
Hopefully yes. The price is not released yet, but definitely will be more affordable than a Lamborghini.
Nice.
Nevertheless, really good performance because you have two versions. One with single motor, and this one is dual motors, meaning that you will be reaching more than 500 PS with this car. And let's have a look on the performance. It's written over there.
What is the PS?
The 0 to 100 kilometers is 3.2 seconds on the dual motors. That's
wow.
Totally crazy.
That's very, very cool.
Yeah.
You will have one?
Hope so, yes.
You already test driving it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And the feeling is that it's really comfortable car. It's really dynamic car, but really comfortable with really smooth suspension, but still very dynamic. It's like a GT, you know?
That's awesome. So it's like a Porsche GT3, but a little bit more affordable?
It will be affordable, definitely. Like every MG in the market.
How long it will drive?
For the range, actually depends on the engine. The assumption is written over there. It's an estimation so far. Will be a little bit more than 400 kilometers, depending once again on the driving condition and the fact that you have either one engine or two engine.
Nice. This is such a cool show here at the Geneva Motor Show. You also launch a new car, right?
Yeah. Let me show you. We are presenting for the first time the all-new MG3. So for us, it's a really market breaker car because this is the all-new B segment for MG. So new generation of MG3 that was existing in the UK previously. So now we are launching the new generation for UK and European markets. So B segment is 4.1 meters length, so perfectly fitting the B segment. And the really cool thing is that we have an all-new engine called, as you can see over there, Hybrid Plus. So maybe you will ask me the question why we are putting a plus right after hybrid.
It's because you can drive far on the electric battery.
Yeah, exactly. And the main point, the starting point is the battery. Because this car is a full hybrid car and you have quite a big battery in this car. It's 1.83 kilowatt hour, so way bigger than the main competitors. And it allows like 4 things. If we can summarize them, the fact that you can drive the car with the EV mode up to 60 kph and you have a really strong EV feeling, especially because you have a quite big EV engine, up to 136 PS. So you can absorb a lot of acceleration requirements. The second point is that this car is really silent. You have really good NVH, and on top of that, you have an all-new 3-speed transmission, allowing the engine to run on very optimum conditions. The third point is that this car is offering really crazy performance because the combined power of this car is 195 PS. Quite good. But it offers really nice performance, like 0 to 100 kph in 8 seconds. Quite nice. And the fourth point, and the most important one, is the efficiency, definitely, as you have an EV engine and quite good battery capacity. The CO2 output is 100 grams, and the fuel consumption is 4.4 liters, so quite efficient.
Can you plug it in?
No, it's a non-plug-in hybrid. You have different modes, and one mode can, I would say, recharge the battery automatically through the combustion engine.
Can you have a look inside?
Yeah, sure. Come on.
So, how good is the system in there?
So welcome on board. On this car, you have the main thing is you have two screens. One screen for the driver to have all the information regarding the range, the EV mode, and so on. And this screen, 10.25 inches, dedicated for the infotainment. So you have the navigation system, the music, Apple CarPlay. This system is operating with MG iSmart, so you have all the connectivity, and you have on top of that the app for the smartphone, so that you can lock the car remotely. You can activate the aircon remotely as well. So really convenient features. This car is well equipped as of the first grade, because from the first grade you have all the driving assistance with 7 driving assistants from the beginning, called MG Pilot. You have MG iSmart from standards. You have almost everything from the very first grade level. This one is a luxury grade, so you can see the seats with leather style covering. You have a steering wheel with leather covering as well, and some other features, but the car is really well equipped starting from the first grade.
Nice. That's awesome. Is there any chance it will do full self-driving?
Actually, you have the ACC and the TGA, meaning that you have the adaptive cruise control combined with the lane keeping assist. So it's level 2 autonomous driving, not level 3 so far, but it's really convenient on the highways to just let the car running.
Is there any chance level 3 comes with a software update?
No, not yet.
Not yet?
No.
Nothing to say about that yet. So, did you talk about the price?
So far the price are not official yet, but we will be around 20,000 euros.
Nice.
Our starting price.
That's awesome. And what other cars you show here? How big is MG in the market? You do
Yeah.
a lot of sales, right?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. So we are presenting the S9. It's like a SUV coupe that will be available in some markets. We are presenting the MG9 as well, the sedan. With quite impressive performance.
So this is a 9 and a 9.
It's 9 and S9.
Okay.
Yeah, so quite big cars on the D segment. We are just presenting the MG4 X-Power, already launched 1 year ago.
How's it going with the sales on this one?
Pretty good.
You take care of all Europe?
No, taking care of France only.
France?
Yeah.
And how popular is it in France? Any official you can say?
The MG4 is the best selling car in France. And this X-Power version is pretty good.
Best selling for MG, right?
In France, yeah, the MG4 is the best selling car.
All right. So it goes 385.
Yeah.
And this one looks like luxurious.
Yeah, pretty luxury car, yeah, definitely.
Any price on this?
Hmm?
Any price?
No, because we are just presenting the car. So nothing official about the launch in the European market.
Nice. So it's got good speakers in there. I'm trying not to film the corporate music. Can we have a look in there?
Yes, if you want. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Definitely.
All right. Let me jump in here. Ooh, whoa. Nice. I like those. Nice. Can you talk a little bit about the factory? How big is it? You're one of the biggest factories for cars in the world, right?
I'm not the good people to speak about that, to be honest.
All right.
Just speaking about products.
Because it's in partnership with a Chinese manufacturer, right?
We're producing the car in China, yeah.
Yeah. Any plans of doing factory in Europe?
It's in the plan.
In the plan,
Yeah,
so
it's in the plan. We are
maybe they're
we are
discussing with different countries to see
Yes.
which one it should be?
Absolutely. It's under discussion, yeah.
All right.
It's in the plan.
Cool. Thanks a lot.
Welcome.